Welcome to Ngozi Technology YouTube channel, your go-to destination on matters academic research writing. I am Lucy Wanjiro, your research assistant. In this channel, we are dedicated to take you through a step-by-step basic guideline in writing a research paper from the topic to its conclusion. Whether you're pursuing a diploma, undergraduate, postgraduate diploma, master's, or PhD degree, this channel is tailor-made for you. We are committed to equip you to become an authentic and skilled research writer. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and engage us in the comment section for questions and suggestions. Welcome on board. Today we are going to be discussing about the limitations and delimitations of the study. In your research, it is important to look at the aspects of limitations and delimitations because they address the constraints and the intentional restrictions of your study. Let us dive in. Let's begin by defining and looking at the purpose of limitations in a research study. What are limitations? These are factors and conditions that hinder the research findings from being generalized and applied, okay? And these aspects cannot be controlled or mitigated by the researcher. So it is very, very important to acknowledge these factors because you as a researcher, you cannot control these factors, you cannot mitigate them. Why do we have limitations in a study? What is the purpose of having limitations in a research paper? They represent transparency and honesty. And also, they help your readers to understand the potential shortcomings of your study, and also understand to what extent can your study results be generalized or applied. Okay? To what extent? Let us look at examples of limitations in a research study. Number one, you can be limited in the area of data collection. Possibly challenges in obtaining accurate and comprehensive data. The next one is the sample size. You could be limited due to the size and representativeness of the sample. Then you can also have methodological constraints. These are limitations in research methodology or approach used. Then the fourth one, resource limitation. These are challenges in accessing and utilizing necessary resources. And let's look at delimitation of the research study. What are they? Delimitations are the intentional restrictions or boundaries set by you, the researcher. Okay? These ones are deliberately excluded from your study by you. Okay? Why do you have to exclude stuff in your study? Why? Why do we have delimitations in our research? Delimitations are set to make the research manageable and focused. Because when you clearly define what is not included in the study, then you can be able to be precise and relevant. Okay? So let's look at examples of common delimitations in research studies. The first one is geographical location. So you can limit the study to a specific geographical area. So instead of doing a whole country, you can do a county so that you can be precise and you can be focused. Then you can also have a time frame. Specific time boundaries for the research study. Setting specific time boundaries for the research study. Then we have participant demographics. Remember, these are examples of delimitation. You can say participant demographics, delimiting the study to a particular group of participants. For example, you can say youth between the age of 18 to 24 years. As we conclude, let us look at the importance of acknowledging limitations and delimitations of the study. When you acknowledge these factors, it enhances the credibility and transparency of the research. Number two, realistic interpretation. Delimitations and limitations of the study allows a more realistic interpretation of the study findings and implications. And then the last one, future research guidance. When we understand limitations and delimitations, we provide very valuable guidance for future research endeavors. With those few remarks, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our study today. Thank you so much for joining our academic research journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Give us a thumbs up, like, and share. You can also engage us in the comment section for any reviews, questions, and suggestions. Until next time, enjoy your researching. I am Lucy Wanjiro, your research assistant. Adios.